Hey guys, I'm Doc. I'm with Lambeth Asphalt, and we're out here at Grandover in Greensboro, North Carolina. We have an outstanding relationship with some of the guys that work for Grandover. So the property managers wanted to renovate this. The parking lot was about 30 years old. It had a lot of cracks and segregation in it, and it was just falling apart. We milled out 2 inches, and we're gonna restructure the parking lot and repave it. Our team has stepped up, and we have undercut a lot of areas, pulling out some of the soft issues on the stone. We've overcome this project by restructuring the grade, digging out all the areas that we needed to, get them down to where we could find something decent to work with and build back up to make the stone stable enough to pave on. We're at the end of this project. We strive to open up new lots for people to get new tenants in and a better product. We got striping coming up. They're gonna paint some lines on the ground for us, get places to park, and that's it. So if you're a commercial property owner and you want some grading, paving, milling, striping, seal coating done, give us a call, 336-932-4392, or email us at LambethAsphaltServices